Hey class, so we're going to do a review on the monkey's paw, and you will have some questions to answer throughout this review. So, The Monkey's Paw is by W. W. Jacobs. The tone and mood, remember, this is how the author portrays the story and how we view it. Okay, so the story is portrayed in a mysterious, dark, and suspenseful mood. Okay. The setting where the story takes place in an isolated house in an English neighborhood during the 1900s. Okay, and it doesn't exactly tell you when the story takes place, but that was when Jacobs first published the Monkey's Paw. Oh, sorry. Let's go back one more. Miss. Oh, and point of view. So the story uses a third person omniscient where Jacobs puts the emphasis on the characters and you really get to see inside their hearts and minds. Okay. The audience is introduced to four main characters: Mr. White, Mrs. White, Herbert White, and then Sergeant Major Morris. Okay. Mr. White is the protagonist of the story. He's the husband of Mrs. White and the father of Herbert. Like Herbert, he enjoys the company of playing chess with his family. However, the tales of the monkey paw's hysterical powers intrigues him, and he acts rashly on recovering it after Sergeant Morris threw it in the fire. Mrs. White is a loving mother who nurtures her family. After her husband's first wish on the monkey's paw, she is the first to be informed of the death of her son. She becomes emotional and urges her husband to make a second wish to bring them back. Herbert is the only child of Mr. and Mrs. White. He finds joy in playing chess with his father and the quality time at his parents' home. After the arrival of Sergeant Morris and his stories about the mystical monkey's paw, Herbert is dubious of the powers that it possesses and thinks that is unrealistic. Regardless of what his opinions are, though, he emits a playful type of sarcasm and jokes with his father on the powers of the monkey paw. The readers later learn of Herbert's death, okay, and he gets killed at work, and he works at a machinery business, okay. And Sergeant Morris. Sergeant Morris is a friend of the White family, a war veteran who has traveled to many distant areas. He seems to be regretful of possessing the monkey's paw from his trip to India, okay, and he claims that the monkey's paw has caused mischief. All right, the exposition, these are the plots of the events of the story, okay? The beginning, the exposition. The exposition takes place, this is where the setting and the characters are introduced. The story takes place in a small English neighborhood, home to Mr. and Mrs. White and their son Herbert. Mr. White and Herbert play a game of chess while they wait for the arrival of their friend, Sergeant Major Morris. The rising action, this is where the conflicts arrive. Okay, Sergeant Morris, who is a friend of the White family, visits and tells them stories about his adventures in India and the mystical powers of the monkey's paw that he acquired from an old fakir, and that's a trickster. The conflict, intrigued by Sergeant Morris's stories and experiences about the telling wonders of the monkey paw, Mr. White makes his wishes. The story is told in a man versus fate conflict because Mr. White struggles with the problems of the power of the monkey's paw. Mr. and Mrs. White are informed about Herbert's tragic death during his work in the machinery and gets 200 pounds as a form of compensation for their loss. So remember, they wish for 200 pounds and they end up getting the 200 pounds, but at the result of Herbert's tragic death. And that's the climax of the story. The falling action. So both parents are stricken with grief at the loss of their son. Mr. White or Mrs. White urges her husband to make a second wish to bring their son back to life. Okay, and then there's a knocking on the door. The resolution of the story is that Mr. White makes his final wish, his third wish, without Mrs. White knowing. And it sends Herbert back to where he was found, or to his death. Okay, the knocking on the door stops, and Mrs. White opens the door at the sight of no one. So the symbolism in the story, the monkey's paw is symbolic of the fate that will ensue from an act of greed. Okay, so its powers put on a majestic demeanor that any person would undoubtedly want a hold of. In the story, the fakir wanted the monkey's paw to show that fate ruled people's lives, that those who interfered with fate have that sorrow. Okay. The words come into reality when Mr. White makes his first wish for money. He's greedy for money, but it's a result as the loss of his only son. Okay, and it leaves him and Mrs. White with scarred pain. The theme or the message of the story that the author wishes to imply is to be careful what you wish for, because it may not be the wish that you anticipate it to be. Okay? Tampering with fate may lead to serious consequences. In the story, Mr. White made his first wish to have 200 pounds, but he did not anticipate that its repercussion would be the death of his only child.